Hello guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are coming here for the first time, my name is Addie. In today's video I will be showing you guys my first impression on that new Colourpop mascara. I got the black on black one. They have different colors. They have red, blues, and orange, yellow. I figured I'd go with the black on black one because I'm not sure how it was gonna be looking on my eyes. So let's just stay tuned and I will be showing you guys my first very impression on this new mascara that they just launched. So stay tuned, and before I go, let me tell you, this mascara was $8. I ordered it on the 31st of January and I just got it today. So today's the 5th. So about 5 days, not too bad. So let's see if it's worth the price. $8, let's see. All right, stay tuned with me now. All right, as you guys can see, I got it at the box. First review. You guys are special. So let's see here. I see you, Colourpop. Alright, I will be doing just one eye so that way you guys can see the difference with one eye and then the other. So I'm going to be doing this one here. So just pay close attention and I'll be zooming it for you guys so you guys can see how it looks. So you see this? That's the first coat. I'm gonna try another coat. You see? This one, and then nothing. Mascara, no mascara. So let's do another coat. I can actually see the difference. I like this. I actually like it, you guys. Okay, let's try the bottom part. Oh, guys, come on. Nothing. I love this. Let me try to put it in again so I can give you guys the third coat. I should say. Let's try this one more time. I mean, seriously, you don't even need a third one. But I like eyelashes to have a really good volume, so. I love this. Colourpop is doing it, you guys. Can you guys see this? Okay guys, so I am done with this video. My honest opinion is I actually like it and I think it'll be a good investment. $8. I mean, you can't go wrong with an $8 mascara. Come on. You see this? Yeah. I mean, you can tell the difference. That one doesn't have anything apparently, right? So yeah, $8, definitely go for it. Colourpop is doing it. I love Colourpop, and this is not going to be the only video about Colourpop. There's a lot more to come. I have new stuff that I've gotten. They just haven't come yet, but as soon as they come, I will be showing it to you guys. And comment, let me know if you want to see a different color. I'll order it. I don't mind doing that so you guys can see what it looks like in person. Not in person, but you know what I mean. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up, ring the bell so you guys won't be missing any of my new videos. Thank you so much. Bye.